Operating systems play a really important role in computer systems. In fact, when we talk about computers, we often say the operating system running on a certain kind of computer, a Windows machine or an iOS device. We're going to see that operating systems play an extremely important, in fact, a critical role when it comes to protecting and securing resources that we have in our computer systems. So let's look at what a computer system is actually. So we actually start with the hardware. Your hardware consists of a CPU perhaps, you have memory and other I/O devices. So that's the hardware that we have. Now, if you wanted to use the hardware directly, it's going to be pretty difficult. In fact, no one does that. What we really do is run a really important program. Actually, operating system is kind of a program that handles the low-level hardware resources that we have. So your operating system may be Windows or Android or a number of these operating systems, but we generally start with the hardware, run the operating system on that device that we have. And the applications that we directly deal with, that we run on our system, so this could be your browser, let's say, or this could be your mail client. So these applications then actually running on top of the operating system. One way to think about this picture that we have for a computer system is that hardware is where we have the real or physical resources. We're going to run an operating system to control access to those hardware resources. And those resources then are going to be made available to the various applications that we have. So if any of these resources had to be protected in case we have different applications running here, the reason the operating system plays a really important role is because the operating system gets between these applications and how they can access the resources.